今日は猫魔スキー場に来てます。すごいいい天気です。山本さん、猫まんま。
Dreaming of that day, we have some alternative plans, like holding hands and staring up and counting little stars. Smart enough to know it's sort of just a little joke. I'm sorry, I never meant to be like this.